feel a little pressure now. My Hilbert Space teacher signed up for subscribe to my channel, and he actually watched one of my videos yesterday, so I got to do right. But this was the one that Professor Ross, who's not signed up here, asked me to prove for my PDE oral final. I promised to be nicer than he was. He asked me random things. I don't know how to answer any of your questions. So, suppose f is continuous. On an interval, and that f is differentiable on the open interval. This one. Why do I need a closed interval here, and why can't I just have an open interval? Go to the Wikipedia site and you'll see Alma Cooper's work. She put an example here of why you can get away with just an open interval and not a closed interval. It's up there. That was her final. Then there exists at least one C. I don't think Bartle puts at least. You don't need at least. They say there exists, you're done. Belonging to this open interval, such that f of b minus f of a is equal to f prime of c times b minus a. And the way you had it in AP Calculus, wherever you took calculus, is you had that the slope of the secant line is equal to the slope of the tangent line at one point inside that interval. That's how you were probably given that. You were probably given this version. Slope of the secant line, that guy, there's a point inside that interval where those two things match. And you probably saw, crack open your Stewart books, make it worth it. Was it $250? You built his house out of integrals off of your backs. Go look at it, open it. If you have something like this, slope of the secant line is this. You think of the secant line being pushed up, and eventually it becomes a tangent line somewhere. There's your C. So that's what you did when you were little and did the AP Calculus back in the day, and you actually were tasked to find the C. That's how you did it. You were given a function that had all those properties satisfied. If you had the right teacher, they proved it even for you. But if the proof isn't Stewart, it should be. Nobody? I had somebody who was an ag guy teaching calculus for the first time. So he proved everything in our high school class. And it wasn't AP. There was no AP back then in my hometown. All right, let's prove this. Let's do this collaboratively. So you guys take forwards and write down the know and show for this problem. Getting you ready for your T, oral T.